According to one philosopher, maganda yung sinabi niya, imagination makes us suffer more than reality. Ano ibig sabihin? Some of us cannot start a business because of these imaginations. Na nalugi, nahirapan, nawala yung pera. These are imaginations. Because if you're gonna take care of the business, or if you will employ someone to take care of the business, it will not happen. And if does happen, you can still manage it. Manage those imagination. Focus instead on small steps. And what are these small steps? Evaluate what is a good business that has a large market, has a growing market. And number two, what's the value proposition of that business? And what would be the profitability study of that business? So rather than focusing on those imagination, focus on the facts, details about the business. From there, follow your heart, then start your business.